The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ellis County in north-central Texas, southeastern Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Waxahachie, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Mesquite, DeSoto, Lancaster, Waxahachie, Bulk Springs, Ennis, Midlothian, Seagoville, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Hutchins, Sunnyvale, Wilmer, Ovilla, Ferris, Palmer, Combine, Oakleaf and Pecan Hill. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 394 and 413. Interstate 20 between mile markers 472 and 484. Interstate 45 between mile markers 257 and 276. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current time is 5:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA, All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KEC 55. Serving the Dallas-Fort Worth listening area.